Hi, I'm April with WTI. I'm so excited to share with you these earrings from LOLIAS. I absolutely love that they are flat back screws. I'm one of those that often forget to take out my earrings, so I wear them to sleep, exercise, swim, shower, you name it. With these backs being flat, that makes them so comfortable. I actually forget that I'm even wearing them. And now I can have full confidence that I won't lose these earrings or their backs since they screw on and stay on so well. I also appreciate that there is enough room to do a quick little cleaning in between of my deep cleans. I especially like that they are surgical steel and 14 gold plate, super dainty and so cute. This 15-pack assortment lets me elegantly stack with my multiple piercings or mix and match it depending on my mood or event. I have gotten so many compliments with these earrings and I think they are amazing. And that's my point of view.